Ready, man. The boss man getting kind of pissed off. How many of y'all remember when I used to do scrap yard runs and scrap cores and things like that? That's about it. Let's see. Anybody want to take a guess, a wild guess? It's not much, but I tell you what, it's more than what I had, right? Might want to take a guess before I go. I'm headed to the scrap yard, guys. Now the rotors and steel and all that, I tend to steer clear of that because it's not really worth my time. Batteries are pretty lucrative, and aluminum radiators, a lot of people always say split them up. I don't got time for all that. But I'm gonna get what I'm gonna get. So if I had a lot of time on my hand, then yeah. My buddy did a timing chain cover. He did not know if you order a cover, for whatever reason, it's gonna come with the water pump and the housing on it and everything. So just aluminum. This engine was sludge too, guys. Look at that. Yeah. So I don't know what's with these people in this sludge and not changing their oil on time, but that's not what this is about. So let me head to the scrap yard. They close at 3. It is 1 something now. Batteries and radiators, pretty much aluminum. So I might not have to get on the scale. See, there's some more junk over here. Like, yeah, axles, I ain't interested in all that. That's another whole load. So I got to get this before the other guys get it. But I want to do some videos on this stuff. I want to pull this valve cover off and go over with you guys some of the things about this 3.6 Pentastar. That's a World engine, I think. So yeah, I wanted to cover some things with y'all, but if I run out of time, I'm just out of time. Yeah, I was doing that a lot. I don't know, maybe this time last year. I recently stopped because guess what? They don't pay nothing. All right. So yeah, we hired a guy to come out here and get it, and this stuff been here for at least 2 weeks. He haven't came and got it. Maybe he realized it ain't worth it, guys. Yeah, a bunch of rotors. Ooh, yeah, I see why this one got replaced. Guys, don't let your brakes go that long. That will produce some scrubbing noise. That's different between a squeak noise and a scrub. This was a scrub, okay? Uh-oh. Somebody did the clutch job, okay? Wonder what the clutch... Oh, there's the clutch right here. Hey, it still look like a good clutch. I don't know, maybe they had some noise. But anyway, yeah, a bunch of radiators. Only the aluminum is really worth something. I was really mainly interested in the batteries and the aluminum. So if I did it, all I would do is grab these radiators. I don't have my truck is down, so I don't care about this. It don't pay enough to worry about it, so no big deal. But anybody wants some scrap, ain't doing nothing. You can have a big pile of this. I'm out of the scrap business because again, it don't pay jack. All right, so let me go over here. I got some more stuff to put over here. Go figure. All right, guys, I gotta go. I was reminiscing on me being a scrap yard guy. Hustle money, baby. It's hustle money. I gotta go.